Hey everyone, welcome back to the quiz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue where you're not able to reset your PC. So let's get started. Now there could be a couple of reasons why you're seeing this error. The most common one is that the Windows recovery environment is disabled. So let's try disabling it and re-enabling it to resolve the issue. From the taskbar search, type cmd, then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. In the command prompt window, let's type reagentc /disable and press Enter. This will disable the Windows recovery environment. Then let's type reagentc /enable. This will re-enable it again. After disabling and re-enabling it, most of the time this resolves the issue. If not, let's continue to the next solution. Open the command prompt as administrator again, then type sfc /scannow and press Enter. This normally will scan your system for corrupted Windows system files and try to repair them. It may take a few minutes to complete, and once it's done, you'll see a message telling you whether any corrupted files were found and repaired. Next, let's type DISM /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth and press Enter. Now this command will repair the Windows image and it will take some time to complete, so just be patient. I've left both commands down in the video's descriptions below. You could just copy and paste them here if you want. Now, if the issue is still not resolved, let's move on to the final solution. Let's open the Windows Advanced Startup option, open Settings, and go to System, then Recovery, and let's click on Restart Now. This will restart your PC and take you to the Advanced Startup screen. Once here, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally Startup Repair. Windows will begin repairing your system automatically. And if that didn't work, let's try resetting your PC from the Advanced Startup screen. Go to Troubleshoot, then reset this PC. Then choose the option to keep my files. This will keep your personal files, but all the apps and settings will be removed. And if none of these solutions worked, your last resort is to perform a clean installation of Windows. I've left a link to my video showing you how to do that in the video's descriptions below. Let me know which solution worked for you, and please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.